What's going on, traders? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, guys, we've been killing AU DCHF and we've been killing USD CAD. You know what I'm saying? As you know, guys, I'm a daily trader. I also swing the trade. When I take the trade, I always make sure, I swing the trade. If I look at AU DCHF, you know what I'm saying, I've been swinging this one from I've been swinging this one from a week ago, but right now, guys, it's a CPI news time, so I'm going to take the profit from everything, so that I can get ready to trade CPI news. So if you're new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe for more videos like this. So I'll be trading CPI news live, make sure you're watching, but before I trade anything, I always make sure first I take my profit, so I'm first gonna take my profit. Remember, guys, if you want to join the free Telegram group, the link is it's always on description below. You can join the free Telegram group. So what I'm doing, guys, let me show you what I do. So I actually gonna find investment.com, which is this one, just to have a look the news for the day. This is just it. So as you can see, guys, here is the news for the day. The news for today, we have CPI news, which is this one right here, CPI mama, and we have CPI yo-yo, and we have a core CPI mom. So which means we have these three news, but it's all going to it's all going to appear, it's all going to pop at the same time. You know how we do. So right now I'm gonna click in it just to make sure, just to make sure, just to have a look the direction of the news. You feel what I'm saying? So if you've been watching my channel for a while, you already know how I trade the news. You already know what I look what I pay attention to. Actual paying attention at actor and previous. So now we can see that actor is 3% and the previous is 4%. Is 0 point, actor is 0.3% and previous is 0.4%, which means we're gonna buy gold and we're gonna sell USD. Francais, let's check this one as well. This one is complicated because you can see that it's it's halfway, like it's just complicated. And if you look at this one is still complicated as well, but we're gonna pay attention to this one because this one is the only one which already give the direction. So we're going to buy gold. And as you know, guys, I always enter 2 minutes before the news. So in this case, we're gonna use XAUSD, which is gold. You feel what I'm saying? So in this case, I'm gonna go to my team and tell them that we're going to buy gold. We're gonna buy gold. If you are not in my VIP signal group, make sure you join, because we have two groups. We have currency group and the VIP signal group. So in this case, I'm gonna go on Telegram and give the signal to my team. Follow me. And I'm sorry, guys, I won't be able to be recording in my group because it doesn't allow me. You feel what I'm saying? So let me just get in. All right, guys, I just done giving the signal to my VIP signal group. To my news signal group. So right now, guys, we're gonna buy this currency right now. You feel what I'm saying? We're gonna buy right now because 3:30 it's gonna pop. I'm gonna use 0.1 1.0 buy Bye. Bye. Guys, remember, this is 2 minutes. This one is 2 minutes. Only 2 minutes strategy. You feel what I'm saying? It's only going to be 2 minutes strategy. You feel what I'm saying? And we're going to kill the CPI today, as I said. Look at this, guys. You know what I'm saying? Look at this, guys. We already killed, guys. You feel what I'm saying? We already killed, guys. So what I do, since I already killed the news, I'm out, guys. I'm out. You feel what I'm saying? I'm out, guys. I'm out. I'm taking my profit, guys. I'm taking my profit. This is how I trade. 100 pips. 100 pips. Yes, sir. 100 pips. CPI news was killed. You feel what I'm saying? CPI news, guys, was killed. Guys, I'm out. I'm out, guys. I'm out. That's how I trade. That's how I trade. You feel what I'm saying? That's how I trade, guys. And I'm done with news. I'm done with the CPI. You feel what I'm saying? Guys, remember what I said to you guys. Remember what I said. Look at this. Remember what I said to you guys. I said that we're gonna buy USD. I mean, I said that we're gonna buy gold. You feel what I'm saying? And look at this now. Look at this now. Let me show you. Look at this now. Look at this now. Look at this now. You see, now it's the actor is 0.0%, but the previous is 0.3%, which means, you know what we did. We did what we did in France. So it's done. CPI news got killed. Let me guys show you. I said that we're gonna sell USD pairs. So I'm trying to show you any USD currency pair. You feel what I'm saying? Look at this. You see all the USD currency pairs, guys, they dropped, as I said. You feel what I'm saying? So you know how we do, guys, in the market. You know how we do in the market. We don't pray, you feel what I'm saying? So make sure you join the free Telegram group. You feel what I'm saying? Make sure you join the free Telegram group so that you won't miss the next signal for the news. You feel what I'm saying? Maybe you can join the VIP for the news, or you can join the VIP for the NFP news, or you can join the VIP for the currency news. Guys, we don't play in the market. You feel what I'm saying? We don't play in the market. So that's how I did, guys. I got killed the market, and I'm done right now in less than 2 minutes. In less than 2 minutes. So if you don't know, guys, how I do it, I only trade 2 minutes. You feel what I'm saying? I only trade 2 minutes. I don't care how much it's gonna move, but I only trade 2 minutes, and then I'm out. You feel what I'm saying? You already know. It's your boy Juba Snipe. I'm out, guys. I'm out. You feel what I'm saying? Make sure you join free Telegram group, and make sure you like this video right here. You feel what I'm saying? And make sure you join my VIP for the signal, for the a news signal. You feel what I'm saying? That's the only way to make this money, baby, because you will be trading with the professional trader. You know what I'm saying? We out.